This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
This auto show has shifted much of its focus away from traditional horsepower and performance to a different set of numbers these days. The tech industry, which encompasses a lot of small specialized firms, is playing a larger and occasionally irreverent role these days in car building. A few years ago here in LA, the idea was broached of electric drivetrains, vehicles that didn't require gasoline to operate. People looked at it and said, yeah, good idea, but it's really not going to take place. Well, guess what? They were wrong, and the times have changed. Nissan broke ground with the all-electric Leaf in 2010, and now nearly every competitor has a fully electric offering. Charging capabilities, which were a challenge, are now available in a lot of places from several different sources, and the number of outlets are increasing around the country. Once voices in the wilderness, electric proponents are now being heeded by the industry and people who are designing the next generation of mobility.
We want e-mobility finally to happen in the US, and I think Electrify America will give a significant contribution to making this happen. The last, we want to encourage switch in terms of adoption from traditional cars to pure electric cars.
This comes as the traditional automakers scramble to survive as the implications of technology redefine what mobility will mean going forward. Additionally, the space is getting crowded with startup brands who rely on a nimble approach to meet the changing market demands. Rivian is an example. Started with an idea a few years ago to presenting an all-electric pickup truck and SUV. Unlike early electrics, they'll have a range of nearly 400 miles to a charge and the capability to move cargo or people with ease. How did they do it?
All the core technology, our digital architecture, our core ECU platforms, our battery system, this core architecture is developed completely in-house. We spent years and years of time working on this, being very quiet.
But what brands like this are saying now is making a loud noise across the industry. This is Greg Morrison.
We want to know what you think, so email us. The address is bumpertobumpertv@cs.com.